In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best treadmills in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these treadmills, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Weslow Cadence G5.9. The Weslow Cadence G5.9 is that kind of treadmill which packs versatility, comfortable cushioning, personal workout settings and many other features that will assure your daily workout will go perfectly fine without any issues. We have listed this unit as the most affordable treadmill in our list, but regardless of that, this unit will perform better than any other treadmill in this price range, which is one of the reasons that this treadmill has been one of the most purchased units in the market for many years. From the design perspective, this unit features a silver and black cover design, with a durable plastic and metal material that will assure the user that this treadmill will be used for a long-term period without having any worries. At the front, there is a blue tint LCD display, and also there are buttons available, which will allow you to customize your training method, change the speed, and it will also inform you of the time that you spent running, calories you have burned, heart rate, weight loss, and much other useful information that will satisfy even the most demanding users. In addition, below the buttons, there are 2 grip handles which are very hardened and will ensure your safety when eventually you get tired or you want to pause your training. After that, you can either switch to walk mode or turn off the machine. Now, let's talk about the features. The Weslow Cadence G5.9 features a 2.25 chp Mach-Z motor which will allow this treadmill to speed up to 10 miles per hour, and it will still work without a noise so that you don't lose concentration while you are doing your daily workout. Moving on, as I mentioned earlier, this treadmill is a versatile machine, which has a folding design for space saving and easy storage. So, if you are a person who changes the living area a lot, then this unit will make your job a lot easier because you can fold it and transport it whenever you want. Overall, if you are looking for an affordable treadmill which packs versatility and it will perform like a premium one regardless of its price, then I highly recommend you the Weslow Cadence G5.9. Moving on, at number 4, we have the NordicTrack T6.5S treadmill. The NordicTrack T6.5 treadmill would be a really good option for you if you are looking for a heavy-duty drive system that features 2.6 continuous horsepower and yet still delivers a smooth and powerful performance with self-cooling capability. From a design perspective, this unit features a cushioning pad that provides a soft surface that is easy on the joints but can also be set to provide a firm surface more like running outdoors. At the front, you will notice a 5-inch backlit display that tracks your progress while you perform, and it packs 20 built-in workout programs that will assure that your workout goes perfectly fine without any leak. Apart from that, the display backlit will also let you customize your own settings for cardio, like setting the time that you want to run, and then it will keep you up to date on how much time you got left, calories burned, heart rate, pace, distance, speed and many other features that will satisfy even the most demanding users. But now, let's talk about the performance. The NordicTrack T6.5S accommodates walking, jogging and running with speeds up to 10 miles per hour, but anyway, you can adjust the speed at the touch of a button to any desired speed that you want your training to go. In addition, you can also adjust your incline between 0 and 10% to target specific muscle groups and burn more calories. This unit also has an iPod-compatible sound system, which means you can plug into the console and hear your content from the dual 2-inch speakers. I would also want to mention that this unit includes the FlexSelect cushioning system that allows you to utilize double cushioning isolators to help reduce the impact on your knees and ankles or select a firm, stable surface as if you're running on the road. To conclude, the NordicTrack T6.5S treadmill is exactly what you would expect for the money, and since the NordicTrack is a worldwide known name manufacturer in the fitness world, I recommend you consider buying this product because you will definitely not regret it. Next up, at number 3, we have the Gold's Gym Trainer 720. Gold's Gym Trainer 720 is a foldable designed, versatile mid-range treadmill that combines an attractive look with dozens of useful features that will guarantee a quality running during your workouts. From the design perspective, this unit features a silver and black, soft body construction with a smooth noise working motor that will make you experience a working performance like you've never had before. Due to this treadmill's premium features, this unit has been one of the most purchased treadmills in the market in its price range and above it. The multi-window LED display will keep you informed about anything that you want to know about your workout, including incline, calories, time, distance, heart rate, speed, and also the music track that you are currently listening, since it is iPod MP3 player compatible. But now, let's talk about the performance. The Gold's Gym Trainer 720 has an airstride cushioning which offers an ultimate joint protection, which ensures that any user is satisfied during the workout. In addition, it has 18 profile programs that will allow you to do different types of training. These profile programs will automatically adjust speed and incline to take the guesswork out of getting an intense workout. However, most of the machines in this price range provide a comparable number of programmed workouts, so it's on par with the competition here. Moreover, this unit has a G-Force 2 commercial motor, which speeds up to 10 miles per hour and adjusts incline from 0 to 10%. As I mentioned above, this unit is also a versatile machine which has a foldable design for easy storage, which I particularly like since you can transfer it from a place to another without any problem. The Gold's Gym Trainer 720 also packs 4 warranty types, which include 25 years warranty for its motor, 1 year warranty for its parts, and 1 year warranty for the labor, which guarantees that this unit will perform well for a prolonged period of time. Overall, I highly recommend you the Gold's Gym Trainer 720 if you are looking for a mid-range premium performing treadmill. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Lifespan TR12000 Folding Treadmill. The Lifespan TR12000 Folding Treadmill is a durable, highly adjustable piece of exercise equipment and one of the best treadmills in its price range. From the design perspective, this unit features an elegant design with dozens of extra components that will make your treadmill look great and equipped like a tank. At the front, you will notice a multicolor LCD display, which has 22 programmable profiles, a quick start function, and workout data that will track every movement you make and inform about the slightest details on your workout. In addition, you can adjust the workout methods to many different profiles like weight management profile, health living profile, sports training, heart rate, and also customize it to any workout you would desire to combine. Now, let's talk about the performance. This unit has a 2.5 chp motor which allows you to adjust the speed from 0.5 up to 11 miles per hour, which regardless of the speed and the powerful motor, this unit will work smoothly without disturbing you with a noise of any kind. Apart from other treadmills at this price range and above, this unit has an incline adjustment from 0 to 15%, which creates a huge advantage even for the most premium treadmills. Another great thing to mention is that the EZ Fold deck design for space-saving application and easy storage is as easy as the name states. Thus, this unit can be imported and exported from one space to another very easily, and it will just cost you a small amount of time to pack it all in. Due to its well-known quality in the market, Lifespan TR12000 will guarantee you a warranty of a lifetime motor, 3 years warranty of part, and 1 year warranty of labor, which ensures you that this treadmill performs as good as the manufacturer states. To conclude, if you are looking for an extremely foldable treadmill with dozens of features, and it looks as good as it performs, then the Lifespan TR12000 is your choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Proform Power 995 Treadmill. The Proform Power 995 treadmill has a solid build and some very nice features like a large 60-inch running surface with ProShocks cushioning, a powerful 3.0 chp motor, and 15% incline option. From the design perspective, this unit features an all-black design with a soft durable plastic and metal material that is also scratch-free so that it ensures these units' look will stay like brand new for a prolonged period of time. At the front, it has a 7-inch backlit LED display, which packs a maximum number of 30 workout programs and dozens of other features so that you can change your workout method to any desirable profile. But now, let's talk about the performance. The manufacturer did a good job when it comes to the motor performance, since this unit has a powerful feel and promises a quiet in-home experience. The 3.0 chp Mach-Z Commercial Plus motor can speed from 0 to 12 miles per hour, which is a great advantage considering all the other treadmills in the market. It accommodates walking, jogging and running, and you can easily adjust your speed at the touch of a button. Another great thing to mention is that the Proform Power 995i is iPod and MP3 player compatible, which also comes with an extra integrated tablet holder to keep you connected while exercising. According to the users, this unit has an ease-of-use inbuilt system when it comes to tracking calories, time, distance, heart rate, speed and incline, and furthermore, as the manufacturer states, these details will be as correct as possible so that you are well informed about the workout that you do. In addition, Proform equips a lot of their treadmills with the ability to connect to iFit Live, which even allows you to race other users in real time. Overall, if you want to have fun on a treadmill and have an endlessly varied workout, the Proform 995i is the best treadmill in the market for that, with a combined great look and an outstanding performance. So, we highly recommend you consider this product, since this unit will ensure that you will never regret that decision. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to these treadmills, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.